female reproductive system consists of a pair of ovaries, a pair of oviduct or fallopian tubes, uterus, vagina, external genitalia, and a pair of mammary glands. Ovaries are the primary sex organs. They are solid structures located in the lower part of the abdomen, attached by ligaments to the lateral pelvic wall. Each ovary is 2 to 4 centimeters in length, 2 centimeters wide. Ovaries are internally lined by germinal epithelium. Stroma has an outer cortex and inner medulla. Ovarian cortex contains rounded bodies named follicles at various stages of the development. Each follicle contains an ovum. Fallopian tubes or oviducts are narrow tubes of 10 to 12 centimeters long. Each oviduct is differentiated into 3 parts. The first part, infundibulum, is funnel shaped. The proximal portion has finger-like projections called fimbriae. Fimbriae are very close to the ovary and they receive the egg released from the ovaries. Ampulla, the second part, is a wider part of the oviduct and is lined by ciliated epithelium. Isthmus is the short, narrow, straight portion that connects fallopian tube to the uterus. Uterus is a hollow muscular pear-shaped structure and also known as womb. It is located in the pelvic cavity between the bladder and the rectum. Uterus is attached to the body wall by double-fold peritoneum called mesometrium. The upper dome-shaped part of the uterus is called fundus. The middle large portion is called corpus and the narrow portion is called cervix, which projects into the vagina. Uterus has 3 layers. The outer thick layer is called perimetrium. The middle layer, which is made for smooth muscles, is called myometrium. Inner glandular layer is called endometrium. Myometrium is involved in uterine contractions. Endometrium undergoes cyclic changes during menstrual cycle. Vagina is a thick, muscular, elastic structure that connects cervix to the exterior of the body by vaginal opening. Cervical canal and the vagina forms the birth canal. During menstruation, menstrual flow comes out through the vagina. Vestibule is a small depression in front of the anus into which the urethra and the vagina open separately. Mons pubis is a cushion-like fatty tissue located on either sides of the vestibule covered by skin and pubic hair. Labia majora are interior portions of mons pubis and split into right and left halves. It is homologous to scrotum. Labia minora are a pair of hairless, fleshy folds of tissue inner to the majora and surround the vaginal opening. Clitoris is a small, solid, erectile tissue that lies at the junctions of labia minora. Clitoris is homologous to penis. Vaginal opening is covered partially by a membrane called hymen. A slit in the hymen allows menstrual flow to pass out through the vagina. Bartholin glands are seen on either sides of the vaginal openings. Breast consists of a glandular tissue called mammary glands, a fibrous tissue, and a fatty or adipose tissue. In each breast, the mammary glands are divided into 15 to 20 compartments called mammary lobes. Each lobe has lobules. Each lobule has cluster of milk-secreting glands called alveoli. When baby sucks the nipple, milk produced in the alveoli